¿Lista?
Yeah.
¿Tú lo vas a bajar o yo lo bajo?
Yes, sir. No, I go down with the truck.
All right, boys and girls, so this is my surprise. I am at Easy CDL driving school, truck driving school. And so trying to get my CDL. See how that goes. I think she's gonna fail me. We'll see. What do you think, Lily? You gonna fail me?
I'm not the examiner. It's like I'm only the teacher.
So this girl right here, this woman, this lady, is my definition of a badass. Cause well, she is. She may not think so, but I think she is.
I know.
Ah, she knows.
I know. I know. Where's that guy at?
He's clear.
Are you watching it on that side? Yes, we're good.
You're clear. Washers on this truck work, Lily? Washers?
Yeah, but it's just gonna make it worse.
Oh, yeah? Alright, Miss Lily. Put on your seatbelt, girl. You're gonna need it.
Yeah.
¿Por qué no?
Just in case you lose.
Oh, really? Oh, you need to
gotta
be...
reach over the fucking thing and I don't want to get choked.
I see.
Ya sabes, ya sabes.
Okay, I get it. This is truck parking, this is trailer parking. Parking brakes are disengaged. Chiquito. Alright, there we go, that's better.
Maybe you're knocking.
Are we ever gonna get out of here, Lily? Almost. Alright, is that first or third?
No, roll back.
That's reverse, right?
Listen to it.
Beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, that's why you always have to have your windows down when you're doing something. Parking or entering somewhere because you don't want to run over somebody with your fucking windows up or hit something and somebody yelling at you and you don't even hear it. You're choking it. Don't choke it, okay? When I say you're choking it, it's because you have your foot on the brake and it's trying to take off and you're not allowing it.
Yeah.
No gas all the way. Así no le das gas mucho porque se va a volver esa madre.
I was talking to my wife about this yesterday. The system on these trucks is different to what I...
No le eches mucho gas, no, just barely tap it.
What's that?
I said don't rev on the gas because
See,
you
that's
just
what...
right there and now you gas lightly. After you let off the throttle from the clutch completely, then you give it gas lightly. Stay on the left lane, please. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Don't take it out of gear yet. So it's 15 miles per hour down. Third. Nope. It's not second. Second is 5 miles. So you need to watch me drive for a little bit so you can catch on to it. No, I'm serious. I did that with some other guys that rides green.
No. I was talking to my wife about this.
Don't gas it, don't gas it, don't gas it, don't gas it.
Sorry. I was talking to my wife about this yesterday. Like, it's going to be hard for me to get used to this system because I'm totally never had this.
Stay on the left, on the right lane, on the right lane, on the right lane.
Right lane?
Yes, you're not a car. A car is going
So you're that way.
Uy, no, acá apaga esa cosa porque te está cayendo todo mal.
Está bien, para que miren que no es fácil. It was easy, everybody be a truck driver, right?
Go to the right. Oh, there's a car coming right now. I don't know if he's gonna hit you. Don't gas it. It's because you're gonna break the drive shaft. You can't be doing that. Like that. Light's gonna turn, so pay attention right now. Slow down. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. You keep throwing it in second gear, and it's only until you have 5 miles per hour. Look at specifically, these speeds are the ones where then you change it. Besides that, do not move that shifter anywhere else until you're at that speed. From 5 to 4, you have to bring it, slow it down to 25 miles per hour, and then you put it on 4. Slow it down, just with the brake. When it gets to 15 miles per hour, you put it in third. But you don't move that stick shift at all until you get to those. Don't gas it. Look, just let go of the clutch by itself, and you're gonna feel it roll forward. Don't gas it. Look, it's not gonna shut off. And the thing is, you're trying to do like the car, and the thing is, you're spinning the fucking drive shaft. Yeah. And if you pop the clutch, you're gonna break the shaft, and we're fucked right here.
Let's give it gas.
Yeah. You need to drive with both hands because it's dangerous with one hand. Okay, so 2 hands shift. If you have to shift, come back with both hands. Shift again or downshift, whatever you gotta do, and come back with 2 hands. Okay.
Understood.
If not, look, see? Now you can give it gas, don't over rev it, but just, If you're slowing it down and you're seeing that right now, you're on 5th. Okay? So if you reach, no. That's the thing. See, you take it out, you can't be taking it out till you get to 25.
Oh, I see.
See, the thing is, if you don't get this pattern of the shifting, they're going to make a big deal, and they're not going to let you take the test on the manual. You're going to have to do automatic.
Sorry, thank you.
Stay at 35 miles per hour, okay?
Okay.
Whatever the speed limit is, 5 miles under. So right here we're 40, so you gotta go 35. Remember what I told you, right? Like the rules of everything that you have to do for the DMV, like scan your mirrors every 10 seconds, make sure you're not white lining, okay? Check every intersection, every street, look both ways, left and right. If it's only a fucking street that's coming from the right side, just look right. If it has to, like here, look it. If this was the street, you look to the left, that's it. There's nothing here, keep going. You just gotta make sure that you turn your head because they're writing it down if you did or you didn't. And if you don't scan your mirror, the examiner's sitting right here, and if you're white lining, you don't correct it, that means you're not looking. Because if you would have seen it, you would have fixed it.
Copy that.
See a red light, start slowing down. Look, you see right there, it's red, so start slowing it down. Bring it down to 25 miles per hour right now by just braking it. Okay, now, clutch and fourth. Again, just brake, 15 miles per hour. Third, and slowly let go of the clutch and give it gas. Okay, 20 RPMs. Look, when you're upshifting, you're looking at the RPMs, okay? When you're upshifting, make sure that you rev it all the way up to 20 RPMs and then you change it to the next gear up, okay? When you're downshifting, you're looking at the speed. You're looking at the speeds that I gave you. You're looking for 25, 15, and 5, okay?
5, 15, and 5.
25, 15, and 5. Just take it because you're going to lock the trailer. But in reality, at the test, you no red lights, no yellow lights. So you gotta be paying attention to.
You should be looking ahead and slow it down already.
Yeah.
Because it was still green.
See, like right now you're at 20 RPMs, right? There you go. into a bend or a street that's kind of curvy, just let off the throttle of the gas.
Okay.
So it could slow down and kind of like pull it a little bit towards the left so you don't eat the right lane, okay? Or these things count as being part of the white lining, okay?
Okay.
You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so hurry the fuck up or slow down. Look both ways. You gotta do all of this while you're driving, trying to take your test. You gotta do all that. You gotta be everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere.
Shifting, putting two hands on the steering wheel, looking both ways, scanning your mirrors,
Check your speed.
checking speed, all of it, everything, because all that shit's gonna count against you if you do it wrong, you know? So here you have another street, look to the left. There you go. See, like right here, you're hugging this side and we're coming into a bend. What are you gonna do right here? Get off the throttle and just kind of like ride it, pull it a little bit para que no se pegue acá, and then gas it a little bit, that's it. So right here, you're coming again to another street. Look left, look right or left, however you want to do it, but you gotta look both ways. It's really critical for you to be on this lane, okay, that you're white lining on. Because of the fact that all this side is bike lane, and if you're on their lane, you're gonna fail, and you get in an accident, God forbid, you run over a fucking biker or somebody that's walking on there. You don't want to do that. You want to pay attention to the blind side the most, which is this side. Because that side you can see everything. This is the side that you can't see because you're like all the way over there. You know? That's why this one, all the trucks have all kinds of mirrors here, because it's critical here. This side. Okay, right here, put your emergency lights on. And right now, slow it down to 25 miles per hour. Like, just not take that shifter out of where it's at, so it's 25 miles per hour. Now, go. Okay? And now start hitting the brake again, slowing down to 50 miles per hour. Right now, go. Don't bring it to 5, so just now rev it up higher. Like, start putting it from 3, 4, 5. It's doing that because you didn't rev it to 20.
I didn't want to over rev it.
Yeah, you didn't rev it to 20, and it's kind of like a little upgrade. So it started going down on the revolutions, and it started losing speed. So it wanted to go back to where you took it out from. You can actually lose your fucking gear if you do that. You'll have to end up having to stop it and start all over from 1. Okay. So right now, shift it up again. Go to 20, all the way to RPMs. There you go. See, it's too low. Go down again. Go down to 40.
Not rev it more.
That's why I said go rim and then change it. Rim and then change it. Okay, here you go now. You got the bus coming along, so let's go. You can start coming down right here because we got a bend. Stay away from this side. Right here, slow it down if you want. Slow it down to 25 and bring it into 40. Because you're at another gear that's not supposed to be. The truck speaks to you. You just need to learn to understand it. You know, it's letting you know when you're doing something wrong. Third. Okay, now gas it all the way up and start up 4, 5, all the way to 5. Okay, right now don't downshift it no more. Now change it.
switch it?
You want to do if you want, or just stop revving it, over revving it, because it's asking for the next one
Yeah.
if you over rev it. If you keep it under the 20, not so low, but just like 17, you're okay. But you're going on an uphill, so you can keep it at 19 or start slowing it down right here.
Right,
Yeah,
turn here.
Right, yeah. Slow it down, and shift it, down, up, shift it. There you go. And right here, put neutral, put clutch and brake, hold it in neutral. And right now, whatever you do not fucking roll back, because that car's right on your fucking asshole. Put it in first gear. That's not, check it all the way if it is in first, all the way through the back. And then one over, right there. Okay. Start letting off, there you go. Hook it, all the way to the right, all the way to the right, straight up. See the RPM, start listening for the sound of the motor where it's at. Okay? So right here, start slowing it down again. Bring it down to 25 miles per hour and bring it into 40. Now. 15, okay, slow it down to 15 and put it in third. Right there. All the way up. 20, there you go. Listen, okay? Listen to the motor. Don't look at the things. Listen to the motor when you're revving it. Listen. Hear the noise or no? But still, like, you'll be 50, so right here, even that 45 is still good because you're not even at 20 RPMs yet.
Yeah, I was looking at my RPM gauge. I was almost gonna hit 20. I didn't want to go over it, so I decided to change. But I guess I didn't need to. If it does get to 25, then shift it. If not, scan, go.
if I'm talking shit, it's because you guys are fucking. But if I'm quiet,
the instructor might be doing that, ¿verdad?
Yeah. And right here, clutch and brake and stop it. Neutral, first gear, okay? Stop, stop, stop. When you're gonna stop it, stop it. Don't continue letting it roll, okay. Especially on a red light because that's a fail.
Okay.
Okay. What's your turn signal? There you go.
Go wide. Okay.
You just gotta hook. Look, go straight a little bit. Watch this. Wherever you're turning, if you're turning right, you gotta keep your eye on this.
Yes.
You're turning left, you gotta keep your eye on that. Okay? Common sense. Because why? Because you're not gonna be looking at that mirror while you're making a right turn. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So this is the critical one. Wherever you're turning, this is the one you're watching the most.
Copy that.
I mean, scan the other one, but this is the one you gotta keep the fucking 90% of it the whole time while you're wherever the side you're turning.
Nobody creeps down on you, right?
Yeah. And right here, you're just gonna go straight, and once you see that the last tire is like before this bend right here, like maybe like I want to say like 3 feet, like where this post is at, where the fire hydrant is at. Yeah. From there, the last tire has to be like right there before, like so you can start knowing that you're gonna clear it already. Basically, the truck needs to be straight like this till it gets to that point for you to turn. That's why it's only like you take what you need from the left lane, like just a tiny pinch, basically just kind of do like a half a moon, and then you come right back, hook it to the right, and then straighten it out. Watch that mirror, look. Straighten out. Look, you see, you can't come all the way this way because you're still invading the bike lane. That's not
so
good.
you can't do that.
Nope. It's like, take a little bit, come back and straighten it out. Don't do it like this all the way because the trailer and the truck is going to follow. So what it is, it's just a little, you're kind of doing like a little J.
You're doing a massive J.
This light's right here is going to turn. So slow down. Slow down, 15. Right before the lane, right here, there you go, second. You're over gassing it again.
I know, man, I fucked up. It just goes stupid.
You want to see me driving? Pull over so you can see what I'm capable of right now and see if you can learn something from me.
Should I pull over here?
Wherever you can. Right here is fine. Don't get too close to the curb. Go that way, right there. Stop right here, neutral and clutch.
Yeah.
Especially because I'm on flat ground. Look, 20, I'm not even looking at the thing. Look, I'm not even looking at it.
Just listening.
Like if you're driving your car, you can learn to stop all the way over there, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The light's been green for a while already. So what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna start slowing down. Why? Because there's even a dip right here, a sign that says a dip for 25.
So you gotta go slow anyway, right?
Yeah. Going 25 right now. 40. This bus is going to jump in front of me.
So that was my attempt at driving a truck. It's not that truck. This is just an inspection truck. It's a flatbed, just like that one over there. The box truck I was driving is on another run with another student, and so that was my secret. My secret is I'm trying to get my CDL. I will actually get my CDL. It's gonna maybe take me about 2 more weeks of this, and it's just a pre-trip inspection exterior, pre-trip inspection on the exterior, going through all the components, the coolant, the critical fluids, the lenses, air hoses, fluid hoses, critical fluid, power steering, engine oil, leaf springs, mounts, shocks, linkages, brakes, contamination, all this stuff, the mirror brackets, gas tanks, batteries, fifth wheel platforms. Just go around the whole truck making sure everything is good. Your 3-way connector here on the tractor, flat hands on the trailer, your 3 lines, all that stuff. So that's a pre-trip. Then you do the in-cab with, you know, your turn signals, your high beams, your low beams, your hazards, city horn, highway horn, defroster, heater, wipers, washers, mirrors, your emergency equipment like your 3 red triangles, your fire extinguisher, your spare fuses, tools if you want to carry that. It's not necessary, it's not part of the test. And then your brake test. You do you pressurize your brakes, then you conduct an applied leakage test. You depressurize it by you know, decreasing your pressure, and then your air warning light should come on. Then you do a pop out brake test where your spring brakes pop out once you decrease pressure even more. And then once you do that, you re-energize the system again, and then you test the trailer brakes, you test the parking brake, and then you test the service brake. And then you do the in-cab inspection, which we just went through on the lights and such. And then you go to the parking part, which you do straight up, straight back, and then offset reverse, and then pull forward to stop, and you're done. And then once you pass that, then you go on the road trip, and hopefully everything goes well. You don't make any serious mistakes on the road trip. You pass that, and you get your license. So I'm hoping that will be the case with me. I hope all that goes smoothly. My pre-trip, my in-cab, my air brakes, my in-cab, my parking, my driving. Hopefully all that goes well, and I should have my license. I'm hoping maybe by the end of next week I should be ready. And then maybe like 2 weeks from now, I should maybe be taking my test. See how that goes. I'll see you guys on my next visit here to Easy CDL Driving School.